TDSMAN provides the facility to import data through Excel file. This video explains the process to import Part B of Form 16. There are 3 steps to this. Use the correct format, enter data, and import this data. Click on Regular Return. Click on Import from Excel. First step is to use the correct format. Click on Create blank Excel sheet. Select the financial year. Select 24Q, Form 16, Salary Details. Select the file type. Select the folder where this file needs to be stored. The file name will get displayed, which is changeable. Click on Save. On successful creation of a blank Excel sheet in the given format, click on OK. The formatted Excel sheet, without any data, will get displayed. Close the screen. Click on Exit. Second step is to place data in the format. Here is a sample Excel sheet with the relevant data being displayed. The next step is to import this data into the system. Click on Regular Return. Click on Import from Excel. Click on Import Transactions. Select the financial year, quarter, form number, and company. Select this Excel sheet. The system gives the option to either replace the old data, if any, or add on to the existing data. To ensure the data in the Excel sheet is properly entered, click on Validate Excel Sheet. Click on Yes. Once the data in the Excel file is successfully validated, to import it in the software, click on OK. The details of the imported data will get displayed. To import the same, click on Import Data. All the existing Challen and deductee data will get deleted on the basis of the selection for the financial year and company. To proceed, click on Yes. Once the data is successfully imported, click on OK. To view the data imported in Form 24Q, click on Yes. Once the data is viewed, click on Cancel. Click on Back to Home screen. Click on Exit from 24Q. Hope you found it useful. Thanks for your time.